Real-time collaboration features enable you to get current insights from your customers or employees. There's also a possibility to comment to create a more collaborative approach. Know what happened, where, and when. It's ideal to use it for following the performance during the day, reacting to issues as they occur, and fixing problems before they get bigger. And hey, let's not forget the positive. When things are going well, it's nice to know it then and there, and alerts help make that possible too. Notifications are sent whenever certain criteria is met. The criteria can be, for example, percentage of negative responses within a specified time window, the performance index being below or above a certain value for a specified amount of time, number of certain type of feedback or any feedback during a specified time window. Real-time collaboration is a premium feature. If it's not included in your subscription, your Happy or Not contact person is happy to tell you more information about it. And now it's time to learn more. There are two different ways for admins to add triggers. You can create a default real-time alert trigger or triggers in the Experience Point section. This means that the triggers created here will be used for all new surveys attached to this Experience Point or group. Note that the triggers created in the Experience Point section won't be inherited to existing surveys. Click Add New Trigger, choose a type for the trigger, and fill out the rest of the information. You can choose to get an alert whenever negative feedback percentage is at a certain level, when the index value is either below or above the threshold, or when the number of happy or unhappy responses are at a certain level. You can create as many triggers as you'd like and get notifications for all. Another way to add triggers is through the surveys section. If you have existing surveys that don't have default alert triggers set prior, you can add them here. Click on a survey. The bell icon with the line means that no trigger has been set for this survey. You can change that by clicking the bell and then Add New Trigger. The options here are the very same as in the Experience Point section and work the same way, and as many triggers can be added for the survey as needed. Also, a trigger created in Survey section for a specific survey overwrites a default trigger created in the Experience Point section. You might also have a need to create different types of triggers for different surveys, and in that case, it's a good idea to manage alert triggers here. Here you can see a list of the experience points that are receiving alerts, the time when the alert was created, and alert activity. Positive alerts have a green arrow, negative alerts have a red one, and the gray check mark means that the alert has been acknowledged by someone in your organization. Click on an experience point to investigate. A list of alerts for that experience point will open, and any open alerts will be shown first. Here's an example of an open alert. It's possible to get even deeper insights by opening the item in Details page. Here you can see when the alert was opened and how long the alert was active. You can let others in your team know that the alert is being attended to or it's being resolved although it's still open by clicking Acknowledge. This is where you can also post a comment regarding the alert to collaborate with others in your team if needed. Please note that comments can't be deleted after posting. A response time will also be recorded to the alert once someone acknowledges or comments on it. This data can be exported from analytics and can be used to track the response inside the organization. Alerts remain open if no new feedback is received or the trigger values stay exceeded during the subsequent alert monitoring windows. Alerts are closed also when the survey opening hours end. For the 24-hour surveys, An alert is closed after 24 hours if there is no new feedback. All alerts are closed at the latest after they have been open for 2 days. Start out by trying how the alerts work and don't worry about taking a bit more time with this feature. You can always make changes to find out what best suits the needs of your organization and team.